Okay. All right. Hopefully this is recording. All right. Have you done this before? Did you have any training or did you join any meeting?
Mm, I joined it like I think like in May before exams. So the problem is exams, and next thing I've been away for like this month. I just got back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
All
but
right.
I'm lost with like a lot of things, man. So like because it's been a while. So like
Oh, okay. It's been a minute. Okay.
yeah. That's why.
All right. Okay. Let me just share my screen. Um, I don't have to share screen. Right. Um, Any food desktop. Um, okay. Okay. Can you see my screen?
And hold on. Yeah, I can.
Okay. All right. So, okay, there were prerequisites that that you are required to install. Did you do that?
Yeah, I did. Yes, I did.
Okay. The the wallets. Did you install one of them?
I have King. Is it Nami, Lace, and Eternal?
Okay. All right. Um. Okay. So far, what we did with Mr. Asbanda, um, we okay. Let me just do this. Right. Okay. We Okay, we're doing the oxygen training, right?
Yeah.
And so far, what we've done, I was explaining the code actually. Yeah. So have you done any oxygen training?
We were doing the last time I was here. We were doing the Pac-Man video game.
Sorry?
Okay, the last time I was here, we were doing the Pac-Man video game.
Okay. I'm not sure. Is it my audio because I cannot hear you?
Maybe it's me. I'm a bit sick, so I don't know if I need to raise my voice or something.
Oh, okay. All
Yeah.
right. Right. Okay. So first of all, we need to that these files on GitHub that you are required um to download. I have a GitHub account, right?
I think so. Yeah, I have to have a GitHub account.
Okay, because you're also required to install GitHub. Let me just check the prerequisites again. Because you are required to have the wallets which you said you have. You have to install Node.js.
Node.js, yes, I have. Let me check. The last time, yes, I did install it.
Install it, right? Okay,
Yeah.
that's awesome. What else? The wallets. Yeah, you said you have the wallet. Okay. Let me just check on this one. Mm, prerequisites. Okay, you need VS Code. Okay, have you created an account on the Nami on the wallet? One of them.
No, I haven't.
Okay, and you are required to do so. Yeah.
Okay.
Um, it's this one. Let me just forward them to you. Just copy section. Just do. Okay, these are the requirements, right?
Okay.
Um, okay, yeah, on Windows, right?
Yeah, Windows.
Windows, okay, that you have. Node.js, you said you have. Okay, the
Mm-hmm.
npm, it comes with a node, so yes, you have it. You need also GitHub,
Yeah, I have GitHub.
a
GitHub account.
GitHub account. I'm using VS Code
Yes.
in, okay, text editor. Um, the wallets, Nami, you said you have. Okay, right. So let's begin. Okay, so you have to log into the GitHub account. Your GitHub account, and then you need to download the files. Let me just check on them. Okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, copy. Um, to the chat. Yeah, alright. Just go there. Um, and then you need to download this file. Those ones, all of those.
Okay. Mm, they're gonna do.
Um, I think it's best you share your PC, and then I'll just be instructing you, right?
Okay, and I'll do that. Let me just copy this, the link. Mm, copy. Uh, okay, you said which the files on where you sent it to me. CLID, JS.
Yes, all of them. Was I cloned
Um,
the file.
how do I check my name again? I forgot to say. Uh, you. So Dylan, where do I share my screen again?
Below there is the screen next to invite. There's share.
Next.
Okay, we can say allow attendee to
Okay.
share. There is a icon of invite. That's next to the invite icon. There's share.
Can you see?
Just wait a minute. Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Yeah, these are the files you told me to download.
Okay, just go to. Okay, let me just do this. Let me just share this link to you. Let's go here. Um, it's the same thing. Just go to the chat.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. Yeah. And then you see that green button.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, that one. Just download. And also say don't forget to start the repository.
Start what?
Just up, slightly up. eh, There's a star just on the right side. No, 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 no. It's up, 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 up. And on the right side, on left side, sorry, on the left side,
On the left side.
there's the star.
Okay.
Yeah. There are some conflict requirements. Okay. Now just open that folder using, just unzip and open that folder with VS Code.
Let me do this. Uh-huh. This is what I need to do.
Okay, just ignore that last file, that last folder.
Which one?
Helios test Jimba.
Okay.
The other one, just ignore it. In fact, just delete it. The Helios
This one.
uh test Jimba.
Delete.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just wait a minute. Mm, okay, so we're just working with the Cox lib. Also, oh yes, and also the lucid testing, you can delete that. Yeah, you don't need it. I need it for now. Yeah, so just be working with the coxswain lip. Okay. Just open your index HTML, right? And then try running the code. Yeah, like when your browser. Just open that index HTML browser. Right. Okay. Right, that's cool. Now I want you to right click.
I'm sorry, let me
Um,
just check if it's doing. Is that the document?
yeah, it's okay. It's like it's blank actually. Yeah, that's just
Yes.
how it is.
Okay, okay. I thought it
Mm.
was. Okay.
No, yeah, it's okay. That's how it is. Just right click and go to what do you call it? Yeah, inspect. Yes. On the console.
Cons-
Yeah, on the console. Because that's where you're going to do most of the debugging.
Okay. This
Mm, Simple Helios. Um, okay. Let's just make sure that the files are actually okay. Let's just see when there's an error. Mm, okay, there's index.html one. Can you just click at that error?
okay.
Index.html and one. Okay. Um, let's just make sure every file is installed inside. Check. Mm, since everything is on, yeah, I don't know why it's giving you an error on the console. Can you go back to your browser? Do you mind maximizing the browser, like the full screen?
Let me just do that. Sorry. Let me just do that.
Okay. All right. Isn't supposed to be left. Okay, let me just check. What's going on? Chamber. Mm, Some other stuff I don't really understand, but then I'll try by all means to explain.
Okay.
Yeah. So, did you perhaps create an account, an FTP account?
No, I did not.
Did not know?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to create an FTP account with Mr. Span. Because that's one of the requirements for it. Okay. So so far with him, we've been working with the FTP account.
Okay.
Yes, that's where we host our projects. Right? Can you just go to your source code again? Let's explain. Same stuff. Okay. Mm, because you cannot continue unless you have an FTP account. Mm, okay. Now, all right. So with the smart contract training, right? You will need the certain dependencies, right? Can you just go to your JS file,
Which one?
the JS folder, sorry. Right, okay. So you need um three dependencies because we are working with Helios, right? It's a JavaScript um smart contract language. That's one that you do that you're going to require, and then you also require using Jimba. So with Jimba, right, it's a testing library, and my guess it's Mr. Sman is the one who created Jimba. Yeah, it's for testing your code. Right. So let's just click on Helios. Helios, okay. Right. Okay, we won't go over all of everything, but then just scroll. Um, but it's a lot of code. You won't explore everything, but then this is what you would require in order to create a smart contract.
Okay.
Just go down, like literally down, down, down. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's where yours starts, right? That's where it begins.
Yeah.
The non-edited code, the non-commented code.
Where?
Mm, um, okay, you know what? Never mind. You see, in this file, that's where we are going to find our functions, different functions, in order to create smart contracts, right? And I will share a link to where you can get the resources that fully explain how each function should work. Let me just do this. Um, There's a book online which explains exactly how Helios works, the
The book
functions and
online.
everything. Okay, let's share to you. Control V. Okay, let me just share my screen. Made a mistake. All right, let me just share my screen. Can you see my screen? Can you see my
I
screen?
can't see it. No, 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 I can't see it.
Nothing at all.
No, not. I can't see it.
Okay. Um, okay. Um, okay. Let's just do this. Over now.
Nope. Oh yeah, now I can.
You can see it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's by the definition, right? So with Helios, it is a smart contract language, one of the smart contract languages. Remember, I'm not sure if Fred uh, gave you an idea of how smart contracts work.
That's right. Yeah, I must have forgot it. No.
Okay, let me just give you a definition. A smart contract is like a decentralized software, right, which is accessible to users, let's say on the Cardano blockchain, right? Like
Yeah.
typically on the website interfaces, right? And smart contracts are like self-executing contracts, right? With
Mhm.
let's say with the terms and agreement directly written to the code. So in order to create a smart contract, you need Helios, right? One of the languages, and uh, with this book, right, it will explain to you how each function, how the syntax of the language. Um, it's still written in JavaScript, but then it has its own syntax and how each function executes, right? And with Helios, you'll be able to create functions such as to mint assets, um, to sign. Okay, let me just show you here. Okay, so it's sort of like this. Let me just do it. Uh, okay. Like I said, okay. Do you see at my right hand side, right, at the console,
Uh-huh.
there's this pass, 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 fail. This is the testing part that I'm talking about, right? The what Jimba,
Okay.
this part, this one. It helps to debug. What is it? Yeah, this one. It will help you to debug your code, when you're creating the smart contracts and all that. So with the first, let's just go to the source code. Okay, right. of course, the dependencies that you need to install, that you need to export, sorry, in Jimba. This is the testing. So as shown here on the comments, there's run all tests, check and logs, run only logs, show stake frames and logs, run tests, show test stake frames. Yeah, I cannot fully explain it, but Jimba is basically for testing your code.
Okay.
Then with the coxlib file, this one here, that's where there's the functions which you would require to run a smart contract. Okay, okay, let me just, okay, I won't go over everything, but let me just highlight certain stuff. Okay, wait, because we have the wallet essentials function, uh, the show wallet data. This allows you to um, this will allow you to show, um, okay, this is the function to show the the data inside the wallet. You know the Unami wallet, right? Okay, let me just show you. Like right now, right? We have the test header, isn't it? And here the assets like NFT assets, different assets with tokens, um, NFTs, right? We'll go over also how to mint an NFT and also, yeah.
Wait, can I ask, do you know how to set this? Because I haven't set it the way it's showing before.
Oh, okay. You haven't. Okay, you need to create an account.
Yeah, can we go through that, please? Yes, I'm sorry.
You want to go through over this, right?
Yeah. To create that, because I think I need to. I would like to set that up before we go any further, because I see that it's needed.
Yeah, it is important. Okay. Um, do you know that? Let's just do this. Just share screen. Okay, let me just. Yeah, then we just go over it together on the side.
Because mine, it's okay. Uh, that shed thing is not.
Yeah, you can just share your screen and then we go over it.
Give me a minute. It's not showing the share icon,
It's not showing the share icon. Okay, let
eh?
me open my site. Um, okay. Mm, mm. I don't know why isn't it showing share icon. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, let me stop sharing. Is the share icon visible?
No, still not showing.
Still not showing. Okay. Okay, I don't know exactly how this works. Okay. Mm, okay, you know what? let me just share on my side and then you just follow along.
Okay.
Okay, this is continue. Okay, right. Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. So, right. Make sure that your wallet is enabled.
Also, okay.
You can just go to managing extensions.
Yeah.
Mm. And let's make sure that let's just use Nami. Just make sure that the Nami wallet
Okay, it is.
is enabled, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, then you go to create account. Just go and create your account,
Wait, hold on.
and then you just give it a name and the password.
Why did you press? Please go back a little bit. Let me see.
Okay, you just
Like
go
this.
here,
Okay. Okay.
new account. Yeah.
Do this. Okay.
Right. And after you have to, okay, you did say create, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, I think there are steps in which you have to follow along. I'm not sure exactly why does need want to share. Was it with um, I won't lie to you, the Helios, the smart contract development, it is a steep learning curve. Also, I haven't fully understood everything, but then I have an idea of how to execute it, those codes and everything. You just tell me when you're done creating an account.
Nah, I did create it.
Oh, okay. And is it showing 00 on the test
Yeah,
on the area?
it's showing 0, 0.
00, right? Okay. Now you must go to settings.
Settings.
Yes. Network.
Okay.
Yeah. So because we're working with this is just a practice. We need to connect to the pre-production.
Okay.
Yeah. Because with the mainnet, right? So if I connect to the mainnet, that's your actual wallet where you can receive header. Like for example, here there's 00, meaning there's nothing on the header, right? So now we must use the test network, right? Um, yeah, the pre-production. Okay, that's the one that you use, um,
Okay.
uh, yeah, during the training, right? So now, in order for you to get the test header, you need to press here on the receive,
Okay.
right? And then copy this address. Just copy the
Okay.
address.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Then you need to go to what's this website? Hmm, Cardano. Hmm, yeah. Testnet bucket. Bucket. Right. Okay, then here at this website, okay, I'll just send the link to you. Right. Then here you can request for test header. Right.
Okay. Hold up.
Okay, just tell me when you're there.
Address. I paste where it says address, right?
Yeah, just test the way it says address.
And then
Leave the API key.
it's very good. Okay. And then
And
I
then
do what after?
but I'm not a robot, then request funds.
Not a robot. Okay. Request funds. Access. Okay, I did.
Okay, all right. So you should have some test data by now. Something like 10 ADA or something. Just go back to your Nami wallet. There should be an amount here.
Like,
Is there
there's
any
nothing.
amount? There's nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Oh yes. Yes, I forgot this part. Yeah. Make sure on the environment it's pre-production. Yeah.
Okay.
Make sure it's pre-production, then repeat those steps again.
Let me check.
Did it work?
Not doing. Uh, I don't know why it's not doing.
You just tell me if it doesn't work. Just make sure the environment is pre-production test net and also action is receipt test header.
Report test net and receive test other,
Yeah.
and then API feed. I just leave it as it is.
Yeah, yes, leave it as it is.
Okay, I'm not robot. Request runs. Okay, I know it did.
Sorry?
Yeah, it shows now.
Oh, the amount.
Yeah, 10,000 other.
10,000, right? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Right. Just do this. Okay. Mm, Okay. And now you can share your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try and share your screen.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Not yet. Okay, I can see it now. Right. So at the Nami wallet, there's other, right?
Uh,
Okay, perfect. Right. Now let's go back to our code. Isn't it? Okay, cool. Right. At the index.html.
yeah. Go to index.
Okay. Mm, mm. In fact, let's just start with Coxley.
Huh?
Coxley.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now let me just explain. Um. Okay. Let's just go line by line.
And we should do what now?
Just scroll up. Then just explain the input part up again. No, I'm saying scroll up. Like
Up.
yes.
Uh,
Like
okay.
where your code starts, where your code begin at the input file.
Okay.
Okay. Like I said prior, before this, the import right here, you're importing the necessary functions in order to create our smart contracts, right? Okay, there's a lot of functions as you can tell. There's TX, there's address, there's network parameter, meeting policy, hash, program, and text array, all that, right? These are necessary for in order to create our smart contracts, right? Then below that there's the import Jimba files, right? The opt and the yeah, this will help us to debug as I said. Then we have the other import const. Okay, here we're creating an object which we'll use again on the index file, right? So think of it like a library, basically the code flip, isn't it? Right? Then just scroll down, right? Like I said, that part, the H lib here,
Yeah.
that's just yeah, we're going to use it. We'll use it on the index file when you're creating, when you're actually implementing uh, our smart contract training, right? Then we have the transaction prerequisites. Okay. Um, this will allow us to connect to the Cardano uh, blockchain. This will uh, tran this will export costs prerequisite transaction prerequisites. Right? Then just scroll down again. Okay, here this is the function to mint tokens.
It's to do what?
To mint tokens.
Okay.
Yes. That whole function. I won't go line by line. There are videos on YouTube where say it's explaining each line. Here I'm just showing which functions, what do they do and all that, but I won't go line by line. This for minting tokens. And then scroll down again. Okay, there's this function, this one. Yeah, this one. Just wait. Yeah, yeah, this one. Wait, it's written Nami internal Flint Yoroi. Okay, this one it checks um if your one of your wallets are enabled in order to, yeah, in order to proceed. So it will check different wallets. You can add whatever wallet that whatever Cardano wallet that you think, okay, it's missing on that. Yeah, but then basically just checks each if there's a wallet which is enabled. So if it picks it up, then it proceeds, but then if not, it will ask you to connect to your wallet, your pre-production network, as you can see on the else statement. Then if you scroll below again, there's another function, a wallet essentials. Okay, ish, this one, what is it again? Yeah, okay, I cannot explain exactly what it is, but yeah, that's one of the function. Then show wallet data. This one strips the wallet data from your Nami wallet. Yeah. So this function will select the wallet. Is it? Show wallet data. Yes, yes, this one. This wallet data. Okay. So basically, um to collect the wallet information, your wallet information is in the other, the wallet address, the token name, the quantity. What else again? Yeah, your uh your loveless. Yes, your balance loveless. Right? And then also below that, there's get assets. There's a
Oh,
function named get assets. Just scroll down. Get assets. This one I also forgot what it does again, but yeah, there are videos online though that explains everything. The send assets. This allows you to send an asset selected um to a selected address. As in, I can send an asset to you, such as an NFT. Then send other. This one's self-explanatory. I can send ADA to you, yes, or vice versa again. Then we have short address function below send other. My code might be different from yours, but then can you just scroll down? Mm, the address function, okay, this one will return, okay, some of this function will return the short address, the address, and the other, and the balance in other. Understand? Okay, let me just show you on my side what I mean. Um, okay, let me just share my screen. Mm, mm, uh, can I just share my screen? Let me just show you something. What I mean by those functions. Mm, uh, okay, okay. Do you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
yes, I can.
Uh, let's do this. Yeah. You see the address, right? With return address in other.
Yeah.
Sure. Yes. These are the function. Here's the address function. Okay, let me just show you my code here. Mm, okay. Here. Yeah. You see this function, this one address function, which returns your address. This is the one. And if you check on my wallet, right? On receive, this is the same address as the one which is displayed here. That's what that function does. This one, the address func, right? And then here with the header function, this one it should show, okay, your code it should show uh the header in left length, right? But then in order for you to convert the okay, it should show your balance in left length. Yeah, love. balance and loveliness. Yeah, exactly this one. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, this function returns balance and loveliness, but you need to convert it in order for you to view your order, your amount, right? You need to convert it to, okay, you see my function here, right?
Mm.
Yeah, this one. It returns it in order. So when you run your code view, right, it will show you in loveliness. Okay, let me just make an example. Let's do this. Return. Um, okay. Okay. Do you see what I mean?
Uh-huh.
Remember, at first it showed 45, right? 45 other, but then now it's showing me in loveliness. But okay, let me just show you exactly how it goes. Now if I do this, just give it a minute. Okay, yeah, it shows 45.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what the function does. It shows you in loveless, right? But then you need to modify it in order for it to show in other. Then below that is an asset function, right? And then the asset function, yeah, I forgot what it does. Yeah, but yeah, that's basically what the Coxley um, JS file is. It's
Okay.
just functions which will help you in order to create your smart contract. Yeah, I think that's all, dog. Like, there's nothing much we covered that I can explain to you right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, some of the videos online, I'm not sure if Rido sent you the link.
Nah, she didn't.
She didn't.
Yeah.
Okay, but then there are videos online which will help you better understand. Okay, let me just give it to you right now. Mhm. Okay, 1 minute. Mhm. Okay. You just go to this YouTube channel. Welcome to Cockpit Gym. There are a number of um trainings here.
Okay.
Okay, right first done. Just do this. Just uh, just do this. And okay, just do this. Can you just give me a minute? Sorry, my piece is running slow right now. But then, okay, just to emphasize, this will be really useful in terms of moving forward with the training. Yeah, I actually discovered this after, because this is useful. But at first, the coding isn't doesn't really make sense at all. But then this will make it much way easier to understand, like how to build a transaction input. Because there are a lot of jargons in smart contract development. For sure, when I'm saying certain things, you didn't really understand, which is understandable. But this one would it will clarify exactly what exactly each um function, or rather how to do certain stuff. Okay. Mhm.
Welcome to Coach Teaching Global. This is a Cardano Technical Live Coaching session. Today is 23 July 2024.
Here there are a number of recordings that can just go to the playlist. And recordings. So if you go through okay certain recordings, you fully understand exactly what's required in everything. And also again, um yeah, you can ask on the group again for assistance. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, there's certain stuff I forgot, okay, what each function does, or
Welcome
because
to
there are a
Coach
lot of
Teaching
functions which
Global.
you are required to know in order to proceed in creating programs. And also, okay, are you aware about the hackathon?
Hackathon.
Mm.
Yeah, I thought it was already long past that thing.
Not really, it's still on.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let me just show you. Mm. Oh, but then you are aware of it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm. Okay, because it did say you are required to do the following to produce code and test code for this, display, test other, like how I showed you the tokens, NFTs from Cardano wallet, minting tokens and NFTs, transfer test other tokens from one address to another, lock and unlock tested in a smart contract, and yeah, the Oracle integration part. So with that file, it will help you understand this first part of the smart contract development. And this part, that's where we are right now. The on-chain, off-chain, action. Okay, you haven't even covered majority of this, but then they did try and explain the produce on-chain and off-chain. Yeah. Basically, you haven't missed a lot because we are still here. Because a lot of people have come in recently, and yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah.
No problem.
If any questions, talk because I did try and explain, but I know it
Nah,
wasn't really clear.
For now, actually, I understand most part of it.
As in here. Also, I advise you to go on the index.html and also uncomment certain things here. Certain code here, such as this one. I do this.
Right, what's this?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. There are also videos on the GitHub account. Oxygen. Um, there are videos which will assist you also. If you scroll down here, there are videos for Helios. What else? For Naomi. Yeah, there are a number of videos which can assist you in order to understand. Just aim for the ones with Helios in it, because that's
Okay.
where we are. That's basically it, bro. So, I don't know anything else to cover, but yeah. Um, there are certain videos also, yeah, like this one, fixing Helios errors, testing NFT with Helios. So, yeah. Yeah. Should I send the link to you?
Yeah, please, please. Okay, let me just open it. Okay, no problem. We done, boss.
Yeah, I think that's all, eh? Yeah, if you have any questions, just sit right there.
Nah, it's fine. I understand. So which means now I can what's this? I can join the meetings of everyone, so I don't have to come for one-on-one.
Yeah, you can join the meetings. You see, each time when there's a meeting posted there, you can join. And also, you can ask Mr. Smanda directly to have a one-on-one meeting.
Okay.
Yeah.
You said what else do I need to create? The something you said I must ask Mr. Sivanda for some Mr. Bernard.
Oh, the FTP. It's this.
Yeah.
Let me just show you. FTP. This, right. That's where you post your code and um, yeah, that's where you post your work. So you need to create an account for you and also a password so that you can use it to access this. So here you can create a file, upload, create a new directory. Um, yes, say for example here, the coxlib index.html. That's where you're going to access your code and where you are going to access also your project. Exactly. Let's say that you are given a task. That's where you upload your file. Sort of like a submitting in a way. So you need to ask him to create an account for you. Mm. Oh, can you see my screen?
No, no.
Oh, okay, okay, sorry. um, can you see it right now?
No, still no.
Can you see it?
Yeah, now I can.
Okay. Yeah, you just have to log in. This is the FTP. I'll just give it to you. Mm, yeah, that's where SysMander needs to give you an account. Needs to create an account for you here.
Okay.
Yeah, that's where you upload your work. Any tasks that he has requested you to do, that's where you upload them. So there are different functionalities like create a new directory, file, copy, paste, rename, download, everything. That's where you upload here your tasks. But obviously, it might give you like a task maybe to display art and everything. Um, so that's where you upload your files here. So he will access them on his side, like your files. So yeah, that's it. You just need to ask him, say, can you create for me an account? And yeah, that's cool.
Okay, no problem. Nah, no stress. Thanks, man. No, you really helped me out.
Yeah, but then I do recommend